and then you're gonna get wet.
Wait, what?
Hi everyone, happy National Science Week. My name is Alice, this is my glamorous assistant Manon, and today we're going to show you some science you can do at home. We're gonna show you how to turn water upside down, and maybe or maybe not, people won't get wet. Let's find out. I've got half a glass of water here. I've put some food dye in it just so you can see it more easily, but regular water works. And I've also got a postcard. I'm gonna put this postcard onto the cup and flip it upside down. We've now got our water upside down. And Matt, you're doing great. Just look glamorous, just look glamorous. You're doing fabulous. Because, hey Manon, look up. The card is staying on the cup. Yeah, don't breathe hard on the cup, Manon. That's really interesting. There's a couple of different reasons why the card didn't fall off the cup. One of them is air pressure. Air pushes all around us, from the top, from the sides, even underneath if we lift our feet up. So when we have our cup and card, there's air pressure pushing on the top, but also pushing underneath. And the big surface of the card means there's lots of air pushing up, which helps it stay on. But if there's no water, the card does fall off. So the water must be important. Part of that reason is because water has what we call surface tension. All the tiny pieces of water, the molecules, really like holding on to each other. They like being in a gang or a club and sticking close together. That means they have surface tension, and you can almost see water form like a skin. If you fill a glass up too far with water, you'll see a little bulging skin. That's the surface tension, meaning that the water molecules are holding tight to each other and really don't want to flow away. So the surface tension helps hold the water tightly to itself and helps it hold on to the postcard. We can actually show this in a really clear way with this version of cup and card. This is some fly screen wire. Don't do this at home or you'll get a lot of flies coming into your house. But there's lots of tiny, what can you see, Manon?
Lots of holes.
Lots of holes. So what I'm gonna do, because you're doing such a good job of this, is I'm just gonna put some water in this cup. You can see it flows through the holes really nicely. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put the postcard on. I'm gonna flip it over, I'm gonna put it on your head, and then I'm gonna take the postcard out. Are you fine with that?
Do I have a choice?
Are you being a bit of a wuss? Would you feel better if I gave you an umbrella?
Okay, if I had an umbrella.
You'd be okay with an umbrella?
Okay, if I had an umbrella.
Okay, here you go. Great. Let's give it a go. You're looking glamorous, Manon. You're looking glamorous.
I don't trust you.
You don't have to trust me. You just need to trust the science. So now, we're gonna try to very, very gently move the card out of the road. And hey Manon, look up. Almost all of that water is still in the cup. The surface tension is holding the water tightly so that it's not falling through those holes until something disturbs it. Here you go, you'll be fine. Happy National Science Week, everyone!
Thanks.